Okay, so this is my B Air uh, Kodiak 1.5 horsepower bounce house blower. This is the largest one I have. Uh, it has a 11.5 amp motor. Uh, Again, it does not use brushes. It uses a run capacitor. And the impeller spins at about 3,000 RPM, I think. Or maybe, no. Yeah, I think it's about maybe 30,000 RPM. I don't know. Actually, we can look on the sticker up here. 3,360 RPM. So it's got a lot more power than the Toy Quest ones I have. And you can see the exhaust is much bigger in diameter, so it will have a lower airspeed, but it will put out more volume because it has a larger fan in it. And because the fan housing is bigger, and it also has a larger exhaust, so it's gonna put out more volume, and it's gonna blow up the inflatable a lot quicker because it's got so much power. They make one similar to this. You have a 1 horsepower, which the only difference is it has yellow here instead of red. And B Air actually still makes a 2 horsepower one, but it's a different shape. I think they call it the Super Bear. I think. I know the Koala is still being made. The Super Bear is still being made. They discontinued the Bear Power, which is what the Kodiak replaced, was the Bear Power. So they discontinued the Bear Power and then made the Kodiak. So this is the front of it. The right side, this is the intake. So all the air goes it goes through the motor and then into the fan, and then it exhausts it out here. There's the left side of it. It even says B Air right here. There's the back. So anyway, I will run it, and I'm a little nervous about this one because it might trip a breaker, but we'll see what happens. This one's going to make a crazy amount of air just because it's so big. But I'll run it for you guys. So let me adjust my camera. All right, here we go. It is quite loud. It is not a quiet blower, just because of its larger motor, and it creates a lot more air. So yeah, just be very, very careful about tripping breakers. You don't want that to happen. But I'm glad it didn't trip a breaker. So just careful with these type of blowers. Um, so yeah, B Air still makes uh, some models. I know the only one I know they discontinued was the Bear Power, which was a 1 horsepower blower. They got the Kodiak, which is this one, the 1 horsepower, and the 1.5, which is this one, and they also have the Super Bear, which is the 2 horsepower, and the Koala you could also get in two sizes. I think you could get a 0.68 horsepower and a 1 horsepower, but I'm not 100% sure. If you want to find out more information, I would go look on B Air's website if you want to find out more information about these blowers. Um, but anyway, that is the B Air Kodiak 1.5 horse bounce house blower. Thanks.